Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by unlocking the phone and going straight into settings. This is where permanent brightness control lives. Once done, tap display or brightness. Names vary by make, but the section is the same. Make sure battery is above 10% so adaptive power limits won't interfere, and switch off auto brightness if you prefer precise manual levels. You're initiating the permanent change rather than a temporary quick swipe tweak, which ensures the level you set stays consistent across apps. Now move the brightness slider slowly to the precise level you want. Watch the screen shift so you don't overshoot. Once that's close, check for additional options like color temperature, night mode, or blue light filters. Those change perceived brightness and reduce eye strain. You can toggle them on or fine-tune their intensity. After adjusting, press back or home to leave settings. The system saves the value and applies it across apps and the lock screen automatically. Finish by testing the new brightness outdoors and in a dark room so you confirm comfort under real conditions. If you prefer dynamic control, re-enable auto brightness and let the system adapt. Otherwise, keep manual mode. If the slider is unresponsive or your setting won't stick, restart the phone first. That resolves most temporary software glitches. If problems persist, check for system updates and then reboot again. Those steps usually restore control and ensure the brightness setting works reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.